Alrighty, so we're going through this right here, this fissure. This is the ventral median fissure. It is actually split, so there's two splits between the cord here, and so the ventral one is the largest one. The dorsal is called the dorsal median sulcus.
So what's it going to look like on the test?
And then, so right here on top, this is gray matter, this is white matter, pretty obvious ones. Dorsal horns, ventral horns. Around the spinal cord are rootlets. And so if we're facing this way, orient yourself. So here's the spinous process back here. So these are the ventral, let me see where we're going with this. The ventral root, which is focusing on the motor senses, motor neurons. And then this is the dorsal root, and this focuses on sensory. This bulge right here is the dorsal root ganglion. This small little section where they come together is called the spinal nerve. This is where motor and sensory comes together, and now they are one, and they don't become separated after this point. So right here it branches off into the spinous rami, the rami communicans. And they connect to the sympathetic ganglion trunk. And right here, where this splits off, this is the ventral rami, and this is the dorsal rami. When we come over to the layers of meninges, so the book was really complicated, and whoever numbered this did a poor job, because this is, the whole thing is blue, but it says that there's several layers of thing in here, so she said she's not going to test us on this. But the initial layer inside is pia mater, or pia mater, whichever you pronounce it. This would be the arachnoid matter, and this yellow here, I mean, if you're doing it in a way that makes sense, is the dura mater. The book says it's different, but again, we'll be quizzed on it. Anything else important? I think we got it.